Welcome back to the Cozy Cottage Homestead. I'm going to show y'all how to make some healthy blueberry muffins. Who doesn't like blueberry muffins, especially when it's extremely cold outside? And they're also good for breakfast the next morning. Let me tell you what you're going to need. 2/3 of a cup of shortening. 1 cup of applesauce. We're not going to use sugar. We're going to make it healthier. Unsweetened applesauce. 2 eggs. 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 cup of milk. And 1 cup of blueberries. Mine are fresh frozen blueberries from our bushes. So let me get started. The first thing you're going to do is put the shortening in your bowl. Alright, see if we can get this out the way. Go ahead and get our applesauce, unsweetened applesauce, about 1 cup. Those little kid-sized containers, what we always call them, little fruit cups. 2 of those is about 1 cup. That's all you need. Go ahead and get that cream together. Alright, now you're going to add your eggs one at a time. Make sure you blend it good after each egg. And if you only have 1 egg, say you're about to run out of eggs, 1 egg will work just fine. Alright, I've already mixed my baking powder and my salt in with my flour. So you want to just add a little bit of that and add a little bit of milk. Alternate between the two until you get finished. And again, this is powdered milk. I promise you, nobody will know the difference. And then you can save your other milk for drinking milk. Go ahead and scrape down the sides of the bowl just to make sure everything's staying mixed up good. Go ahead and dump the last little bit in there. Alright, the batter usually gets pretty thick. Just keep mixing it until it gets mixed up pretty good. If I had a kid here, they would be fighting over who's going to lick the beater. Guess thank goodness I got a husband. I'm sure he'll take care of that for me later. Definitely tell we're old school. We ain't known a person yet to die from eating a raw egg. Not saying that I suggest eating a raw egg. I'm just saying I don't know anybody that's died from licking the batter from a beater. Alright, now you just want to stir in your cup of blueberries. These blueberries that I use this time happen to be some really large ones. I would have rather found the pack of the smaller ones. We have a couple different varieties of blueberries, but either way, it's going to make some good muffins. Makes a beautiful purple color. Okay. Now you want to get your muffin pan, make sure it is well greased. So we're going to try to do it with the 1/3 measuring cup to see if that gives us roughly 2/3 of a cup. If it's more than that, then don't worry about it. As long as it's in the little muffin tin, you're just going to have gorgeous muffins. I was trying to remember how many muffins this recipe made, but I don't remember exactly. Seems like it made about 18. And you could cut this recipe in half to make it less. They also do freeze really good. So you could freeze them and pull them out the freezer for later. Alright, and I'm going to get these in the oven and finish getting them in the muffin tin, and we'll be right back to show y'all how beautiful these muffins turned out. So we've got 12 large blueberry healthy muffins. This is what they turned out looking like. And I forgot to mention to bake them at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. I always give a 5-minute difference in case your oven is a little hotter or if it's a little milder, so that you'll be sure to check them at 20 minutes, and they may need to go to 25 minutes. I'm going to cut one of these muffins open so y'all can see how delicious they look. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'll put a little butter on there. While they're still really hot. If y'all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me one friendly comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, maybe consider doing so. I'll have a lot more recipes. Some are going to be really healthy, and some maybe not quite as healthy. So farewell, my Homestead family, friends, and neighbors from the Cozy Cottage Homestead.